Friends, ladies and gentlemen, good morning and good afternoon. Welcome to today's Smart Medical and Biotesting webinar, Rethink the Industry in Post-Pandemic. I'm Steven from Taipei, and I will be your host for today's webinar. This webinar is jointly presented by Taipei, Taiwan's foremost trade promotion organization, and the Bureau of Foreign Trade, the administrative agency of Taiwan's trade policy and trade relations. Today, I have the privilege of hosting 4 leading brands in the medical tech industry in Taiwan. These visionary leaders, including 10 Bead, MeCraft from Young Optics, Ian Biotherapeutics, and Signal. All of them will showcase some of their most innovative medical and biotesting solutions later in this webinar. Before that, I would like to introduce Dr. Chi-Wan Lin, Vice President and General Director of Biomedical Technology and Device Research Laboratories at Industrial Technology Research Institute. Dr. Lin is also the Professor of Biomedical Engineering, Electronic Engineering, and Applied Mechanics in National Taiwan University, with distinguished professor in Engineering, Mechanics, and Medicine. Dr. Lin is here today to give us some opening remarks. So, without further delay, let's welcome Dr. Lin.
Hi everyone, good afternoon. Our speakers, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen. I am the General Director of Biomedical Technology and Device Research Laboratories at Industrial Technology Research Institute, ITRI. It's my honor and pleasure to give an opening introduction for Taiwan Excellence Smart Medical Devices and In Vitro Diagnostic IVD webinar. Taiwan Excellence Award is the distinguished prize created for recognition of domestic products that achieve outstanding in aspects of R&D, design quality, and marketing. All of them are carefully evaluated and approved by our panel of experts and specialists from each different sector. We should be proud that these great products are made in Taiwan and represent our strengths of the R&D abilities in biomedical field. In today's webinar, these outstanding products cover the applications from screening tests for COVID-19, an early stage of disease, to 3D printed medical devices. Although these award-winning products are for different applications, the common features of them are efficient, personalized, and integrating innovation that are exactly matching the new trend of healthcare during the pandemic. Since the first outbreak of COVID-19 pandemic in 2020, people are fighting with the variants of coronavirus one after another over the world. As it could become more like common cold in future, the screening test will be the critical method to prevent the virus spread. Also, under the threat of pandemic, we are seeing the new emerging business model of biomedical industrials. And medical service are moving from centralized to personalized to look after the individual needs. And smart medical care is believed to be the next wave that could change the world. Nowadays, technology has become the great pushing force to accelerate the development of smart medtech. To make medical devices more intelligent, simple, and easy to use at home and at bedside. Along with the pandemic, the new business opportunities have lifted the prosperity of Taiwan's biotech. In Taiwan, we are blessed to have many innovative talents and technological resources. Hope by using Taiwan Excellence valuable platform to gather the experts from different fields as the team of Taiwan and create more MIT products that amaze the world. As ITRI is recognized as an international applied research organization, our motto and mission is leading Taiwan's industry development with technology innovation and helping our medtech partners up to the higher level. In the meantime, ITRI is expected ourselves to be the pioneer and play the role that connect Taiwan with global technology development and create innovative technologies with Taiwan's industrials in the future. Last but not the least, I wish you all good health and stay safe, as well as wish the event a great success. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Dr. Lin, for your meaningful remark. Next, we are moving on to the presentation. During this section, please feel free to submit your question by scanning the QR code on the screen or check the details section of this webinar. We will collect all questions and invite the speaker to answer them after all the presentations are given. And now, we are pleased to have Taiwan Advanced Nanotech 10B twice-time winner to the Taiwan Excellence Award to introduce their latest biotech product, Automatic Nucleic Acid Extractor MS4800 Switch 8. Let's welcome them.
COVID-19 has rewritten history of mankind and impacted global economy and development projection. Humans have learned to coexist with the virus. It also makes all pandemic preventative industries receive much deserved attention. As the pandemic continues to spread, nucleic acid testing has become an indispensable tool for pandemic prevention around the world.
The excellent nucleic acid extraction technology of 10B plays a key role in the epidemic prevention industry chain. 10B is a comprehensive provider that provides nucleic acid extraction solutions. Excellent extraction is our core. We know that only 100% quality goods can ensure accuracy of downstream cutting-edge applications.
Established in 2004, 10B is Taiwan's largest manufacturer of nanomagnetic beads and nucleic acid purification reagent and instruments. It leads the development of nucleic acid detection industry by providing integrated solution for automated nucleic acid extraction required by global molecular testing. It was with bettering development of nucleic acid testing industry in mind, 10B's patented high-efficiency nucleic acid extraction technology was created, designed for hospitals, research industries, laboratories, and testing centers. Compared with other brands' closed-system instruments that must be equipped with exclusive reagents, 10B's open-system instruments provides customers with more diverse reagent choices. On the other hand, customized reagents can be adjusted and optimized according to customer requirements, such as special packaging or specific performance to create more possibilities. We focus on the development and optimization of automatic instruments and reagents. The innovative patented technology effectively improves extraction efficiency and greatly reduces cross-contamination risk. Through us, users can obtain high-quality nucleic acid extraction from samples to ensure accuracy of molecular diagnostics. With patented spin mixing technology, it also greatly simplifies previously complex filtration, centrifugation, and separation of traditional molecular detection methods. It provided the industry with an effective automated solution. In addition, we also provide customers with two different pre-filled reagent solutions, well-plated and reagent strips, to create flexibility of different sample throughput needs. 10B's reagent testing is suitable for various sample types, including blood, tissues, plants, bacteria, and can be used in many different ways, such as prenatal screening, pathogen detection, and more. Innovation has always been 10B's key to maintain competitive advantage. Its core technology obtained invention patterns from Taiwan, China, Japan, South Korea, the United States, Canada, and the European Union. It allows us to provide a full range of high-quality nucleic acid extraction solutions for global molecular diagnostics market. At the same time, we are also actively obtaining other related medical equipment quality management and international standard certifications to ensure all products are of highest quality to meet both domestic and overseas market needs. Maelstrom 4800. During COVID-19 pandemic, nucleic acid testing plays a pivotal role in pandemic prevention. Compared with fast screening for antibody or antigen detection, nucleic acid detection has a higher accuracy, which can reduce the gap period or false positive or false negative results. Maelstrom 4800 is a 48 throughput instrument that, combined with our patented technology, the entire run can be completed in about 30 minutes. Number of samples that can be processed per run is 50% more than common nucleic acid extraction instruments in the market, which greatly increases testing capacity. With Taipei's unique extraction reagents, we provide fast solutions and quality products for COVID-19 testing, which has been used by Taiwan CDC. Maelstrom Switch 8. With its flexible multifunction and small size design, Maelstrom Switch 8 is perfectly designed for research institutes. The capacity of Maelstrom Switch 8 features a variety of different fluxes, such as 4, 8, and 16, which can be easily interchanged based on user preference. The standard mode's liquid processing volume can be up to 1.6 milliliters. There is also an option of maximum liquid volume of a single cell that can operate at 10 milliliters, which is a great design for cfDNA researchers. It is also equipped with pre-filled high-performance reagent kits, which help achieve the greatest efficiency for each trial. Comprehensive filling line system, 16 tests per plate. Ever since Taipei launched its own nucleic acid extraction reagent products, reagents have always been loaded into disposable 96-well plates with a self-developed automatic liquid filling system. This system significantly reduces human error and increases productivity, providing high-quality, high-yield nucleic acid extraction reagents. To further future collaborations, Taipei is offering comprehensive filling line system service establishment project. This provides clients with option of more convenient, more efficient, and better option to satisfy local market requirements. Advantages of comprehensive filling line system service include a broad reagent selection range, local manufacturing, complete pre-sale technical consultation, after-sale service, and more. Customer-oriented and service-based, Taipei is dedicated to create win-wins with clients and provide best approach for nucleic acid extraction reagent supplies.
We will use the market foundation led by the epidemic to further strengthen the application of molecular diagnostics in fields of biomedicine and infectious diseases, such as food, agriculture, genetically modified, and forensic identification. We are not only pursuing the progress of biotechnology, but also striving to create a healthy and care-free future for all.
We hope that through excellent products and professional technical services, Taipei can serve as a world leader in molecular detection industry regarding nucleic acid extraction platforms, and make Taiwan an excellent biotechnology and medical material industry leader that provide health, security, and hope to all.
Thank you, Taipei, for the presentation. Next, we will have second speaker, Maelstrom team from Young Optics, who is the leading manufacturer and global pioneer company in integrated optics. Maelstrom have bring us today with the latest award winner optical 3D printer. Meatcraft team, the stage is yours.
Hello everyone, I'm Joanne, a project manager from Meatcraft team. Meatcraft is a leading 3D printer brand. We aim to provide a total printing solution to customers all over the world. We not only design and manufacture 3D printers with advanced DLP technology, but also provide a variety selections of materials. Also, the software. The software can bundle with our 3D printer for better printing experiences. Meatcraft gather talented engineers from different professionals, mechanical, optical, and material science, to ensure innovative and quality products. Meatcraft developed and introduced our first DLP 3D printer to the market in 2012. 3 years later, we launched another 3D printer in 2015, which is the world's smallest 3D printer. Till now, Meatcraft has already developed several series of printers. Our printers have been sold and widely used in industrial and medical fields all over the world. Meatcraft designs and manufactures 3D printers utilizing digital light processing technology, as known as DLP. DLP 3D printers make use of a photopolymer resin which is able to be cured layer by layer under UV light source. Every Meatcraft 3D printer is built with industrial-grade UV light engine that we design and manufacture in-house. And the industrial-grade UV light engine that we designed features its high printing efficiency, accurate image size, and high uniformity. Each layer thickness printed with our 3D printers is well controlled with robust Z-axis, enabling a measurement resolution of micron level. Meatcraft 3D printers help users produce parts with high accuracy and efficiency, making them perfect for producing dental appliances and modules such as removable dies, temporaries, surgical guides, and aligners. Dental parts are highly customized and time-costing for users like orthodontists and dental technicians to produce. With Meatcraft 3D printers, users can produce a variety of dental parts in a much more efficient and economic way. After the brief introduction we just made for you, I believe that you are getting familiar with our product, right? Now, follow me to the product video for more interesting details. Meatcraft not only provides a variety of printer selections, but also provides diversified and flexible printing solutions to our clients. We have already launched our Prime series, Advanced series, and Profession series to the market. This year, we are so excited to introduce our new series to our friends, the Alpha series. The Alpha series is designed and built based on the 0.3-inch DLP chipset, newly released by Texas Instruments. The elegant appearance design of Alpha will definitely catch your eyes. The printer is smaller and compact, attracting users from dental clinics, dental labs, personal workshops, and offices. Not only its modern appearance design, we made a comprehensive improvement in Alpha. From hardware rigidity, software user-friendliness, to a completely new user interface design. The linear motion guide and new tank design also ensure a faster and more stable printing performance. Not to mention its 3-side open acrylic door. It provides our users a more spacious work area. With these in and out designing details, we are confident that Alpha will bring a better printing experience to every MeCraft user. Every MeCraft series was born to satisfy different needs. When it comes to printing size, with Alpha and Prime series, you can print objects within 150 mm in width, where accommodates 4 arches in one build. With Advanced and Profession series, you can print from 205 to 250 mm in width, where accommodate 12 to 14 arches in one build. What's more, with tilt mechanism, Prime, Advanced, and Profession series feature great peeling performance and capability of printing flexible materials. Each light engine in MeCraft printer is embedded with digital max file to achieve excellent uniformity. The uniformity is above 95% ANSI and nearly 100% homogeneous after digital compensation. The UV output power of each light engine is highly efficient and equipped with selected 405, 385, and 365 nanometer LED. Our superior optical design also enables us to achieve excellent sharpness. The MTF is above 50%, the distortion is below 0.1%, and the deviation of every image corner is smaller than 0.5 millimeters. To ensure the best quality of our printers, MeCraft also developed our own inspection machine for printers and UV light engines. These inspection machines are used to control key performances such as CTF, uniformity, orientation, distortion, and other key indicators. MeCraft is well experienced in scale and niche productions. We have complete production line for our UV light engines and 3D printers, along with running quality control stations and clean rooms. We place great importance on the management system. We have been certified by ISO system, IATF 16949, and also IECQ quality system. Every single material used in MeCraft printers also follows GP and ROW standard. We ensure that every MeCraft user to use our printers without any concern. Hope you enjoy the product tour we brought you today. Dental models are time-consuming and highly customized products. It traditionally relies on the technician's experience skills to produce, not to mention how long it should take for just one handmade dental model. With MeCraft 3D printer, you can produce all kinds of dental models like surgical guide, temporaries, and denture bases, and others in a more efficient and convenient way. If you're interested in our 3D products, please do not hesitate to contact us at our email address and visit our website for more information. MeCraft team is always ready to provide you a professional and pleasant service.
Thank you, MeCraft team, for the demonstration and the presentation. Now, I would like to invite our third speaker, Ian Biotherapeutic, Taiwan Excellence First-Time Award winner, to introduce their latest advanced design for platelet-rich plasma and bone marrow concentrate therapy. Let's welcome Ian for their presentation.
Knowing that every patient has unlimited regenerative potentials, Aeon Biotherapeutics integrates technologies into medicine to develop safer and more efficient therapies, to facilitate natural healing process, and dedicate to create healthier possibilities.
The reason we founded Aeon Biotherapeutic was because we want people to not only be able to live longer, but also healthier. We want them to be able to spend the last 10 years of their lives visiting their loved ones, exercising, and travel the world. Aeon is currently working on regenerative medicine. We're currently using blood concentrates as well as cellular therapies to target various types of diseases. Our products right now consist of Activeprp and ABMC, a bone marrow concentrate device.
Without any additives, platelet-rich plasma is prepared. It can then be made into platelet-rich fibrin or platelet lysate. With no addictive interference, PRP is 100% autologous and contains abundant growth factors compared to all other commercial products. Platelet lysate comprises of even higher levels of growth factors and cause minimal inflammation.
Platelet-rich plasma is an autologous blood concentrate therapy which utilizes patients' own platelets for tissue repair. Aeon has developed the next generation technology, platelet lysate, which further activates these platelets for higher amounts of growth factors while removing unwanted inflammation-inducing elements. Aeon has conducted clinical trials in many different fields, including orthopedics, reproduction, and otolaryngology. We have proven that platelet lysate is able to heal various types of tissues, including tendon, ligament, cartilage, ovary, endometrium, as well as vocal cords and eardrums. Instead of using chemical compounds or artifacts, the concept of regenerative medicine utilizes humans' ability to heal ourselves, which is the safest and most natural way. To us, the most important element is quality control, which we have demonstrated through our acquisition of licenses in CE, US FDA, as well as PMDA in Japan. Aeon is targeting the socioeconomic problem that every developed country is currently facing, our aging society. Luckily, governments throughout the world is opening up for regenerative medicine as well as cellular therapy. Aeon is not only focusing on developing minimal manipulation therapies, we're also focusing on culturing stem cells as well as immune cells for tissue regeneration. We feel very lucky to have the opportunity to work with some of the best doctors throughout the world here in Taiwan, and we wish to be able to connect to the world's top pharma companies to develop new regenerative therapies.
This is Pei Ling from Aeon Biotherapeutics. On behalf of Aeon, we would like to thank Taiwan Excellence for this great opportunity to have us here to introduce our products. We have two major product lines, which is Activeprp. PRP is the short for platelet-rich plasma, and Acti is the initial for activity. So, which means that our products have the highest activity comparing to other commercial products. However, we do have the other cell line, which is called bone marrow concentrate, which is used to isolate the cell from bone marrow. It is no surprise that PRP and BNC can be used in orthopedic and neurosurgery application. Also, PRP can be used in dermatology and aesthetic use. To our surprise is that PRP can also be used in obstetric and gynecology use to treat women who are suffering from the infertility. Also, PRP can be used in urology application, like the men who are suffering from the erectile dysfunction. Also, PRP can be used in ENT application, like eardrum rupture or vocal fold damage. Aeon is the company who devoted ourselves in regenerative medicine. In regenerative medicine, there are 3 key elements must be fulfilled. 1. Scaffold. 2. Signal. 3. Stem cell. ActivePRP and ABMC can fulfill these 3 elements in the same time. The next thing we are going to talk about is why we should use ActivePRP. Platelets contains a large amount of growth factor and participates in wound healing by releasing those growth factors. So, PRP is actually the technique that collects those growth factors to help wound to heal. AION ActivePRP is a closed and safe system here. As we can see that it shows in the pictures, it contains 2 most important things in this system. For the first one is that it contains no anticoagulants, so that makes it 100% autologous. The other thing is that it contains separation gel, which allows us to remove 99% of red blood cell and adjust the concentration. With these 2 best things in our closed system, we are able to produce platelet-rich plasma, platelet-rich fibrin, and platelet lysate, the 3 forms of PRP. And I want you to keep this in mind for me, and I'll introduce them later. Just like I mentioned earlier, AION ActivePRP is the PRP with high activity, which means that it contains highest level of growth factor. And AION ActivePRP can produce 3 different forms of PRP. 1. Platelet-rich plasma, PRP for short. 2. Platelet-rich fibrin, PRF for short. 3. Platelet lysate, PL for short. Traditionally, PL can only prepare in the lab without an on-thaw cycle, which makes easily get contaminated and take a longer period of time. However, preparing PL with our AION ActivePRP, it only takes short period of time, less than an hour, and simple spin protocol. Platelet lysate is the fully activated form of PRP. All the growth factors in platelets are completely released. White blood cells are completely removed. We, AION Biotherapeutics, recommend that we use platelet lysate to promote tissue healing immediately. In platelet lysate, it contains the highest level of growth factors. On the other hand, white blood cell is the lowest level in platelet lysate, which avoid unwanted inflammation reaction. Then I'm going to talk about ABMC. ABMC is a system that we use to acquire stem cell. First, we aspirate bone marrow. Then we do the isolation, and we acquire the stem cell that we need. Hence, in this ABMC system, we are able to acquire the highest number of cell and mesenchymal stem cell, an equal live cell rate comparing to bone marrow aspirates. In our ABMC system, we are able to acquire the highest number of nuclear cells. It is also a rapid and 100% autologous process, and it is also versatile like a PRP did. We also have related products, which are centrifuge, buckets, surgical instrument tray, disposable tube or dish, and spray nozzle. We also have the certificates from Taiwan, Japan, United States, and Europe governments. We also have the patents issued by Taiwanese government. Every batch of our products are tested by independent third party, which is SGS here. As for the orthopedic application, PRP and BMC can be used together or alone. They can be used to treat cartilage damage and osteoarthritis knees. Plastic surgery and dermatology are also the goals for PRP treatments. They can be used in hair loss, wrinkle refining, breast reconstruction, and wound care. PRP can also be used in obstetric and gynecology use to treat women who suffer from the thin endometrium, repeated implantation failure, and ovarian failure. We conducted 3 different clinical trials in Japan and Taiwan. We enrolled 100 cases who is over 40 years old and find it very hard to get pregnant. We successfully increased the endometrium from 6 to 8 mm, and the implantation rate is 27%, clinical rate is 35%. Now, we have 60 IVF centers and clinics using our ActivePRP in Japan. As for the ENT application, PRP can be used to treat the vocal fold dysfunction and eardrum rupture. We also find that PRP can be used for the treatment of erectile dysfunction, Peyronie disease, and stress urinary incontinence.
Thank you, Ian, for this informative presentation. And please be reminded if you have any question for our speaker, or if you'd like to have more information about the product we launched today, please fill out the sheet by scanning the QR code below of the stream and leave your questions. We will answer them after all the presentations are given. Coming up, we will have Signal Biomedical Corporation, also our first-time Taiwan Excellence Award winner of 2021, to present their innovative, non-invasive arrhythmia diagnostic solution, Easy Pro. Let's put our hands together for Signal's presentation. Thank you, Signal, for presenting the Easy Pro solution. Now, I would like to have 4 award winners to the Q&A section. And for those who are joining us online, I believe you have left your questions using the QR code below on the screen. If you don't find it, you can also use the link we provide in the YouTube channel profile. So, the first one is for 10B. And the question is, what would be the main difference and advantage of 10B's product compared to other currently in the market?
That's a good question. Taiwan Advanced Nanotech provides a spin mixing device and a gear chain to mix magnetic beads and reagents more efficiently. The device performs mixing by using element of rotation. Not only it can achieve biggest flux per unit area, but cross-contamination also can be reduced.
Thank you, Tempe, for the detailed answer. And our next question goes to MeCraft. The question is, does the printing material require to be biocompatible certification when it to be used clinically?
Resin materials used for surgical guide and temporaries will be placed into patient's mouth, so it is essential for most of the materials to be biocompatible. MeCraft also provides third-party resin materials to customers, and most of them are biocompatible and approved by FDA, CE, and TFDA.
Thank you, MeCraft. And the next question still for MeCraft team. The question is, does the MeCraft printer come with the Dental Design or Dental CAD software?
Regarding the software, our printers are built in with slicing software, but not including the dental design software, like surgical guide design, orthodontist, and denture-based design. Although our printers don't come with dental design software we just mentioned, our agent partners do. If you're interested in the dental design software we just mentioned, you can reach our agent partners like Choice Medical, Antware, and New Image Oral Service.
Thank you, MeCraft, for the answers. And next, our question goes to Ian Biotherapeutic. The question is, what division can your product be applied to?
Thank you. It's a really good question that our Activeprp and ABMC can be used for orthopedic application like osteoarthritis knees or for aesthetic use. But to our surprise is that our PRP can be used to treat women who are suffering from infertility to help them to get pregnant again. The other one is that in the ENT application, PRP can help the eardrum to regrow and to heal the vocal fold damage.
Thank you, Ian, for the answer. And we have one more question go to Ian Biotherapeutic. How is your product different from other manufacturers?
Our product is a patent active PRP tubes. The first thing that it is different from other products is that we contain no anticoagulants, and we also have the separation gel. So we are able to make the different forms of PRP, and also it contains the highest level of growth factor.
Thank you, Ian. And our next questions go to Signal. The question is, what makes Easy Pro different? Thank you, Signal. I think we'll have a more understanding now. And now we will have a final question, and this one goes to Signal. The question is, how does Easy Pro service work? I would like to thank all speakers for their detailed answer for these questions. The webinar has now come to an end. Thank you all for your participation. We hope this event has provided you a better understanding of the new trend and innovation for medical industry and products developed in Taiwan. If you have any further questions for your speaker, please feel free to fill out the sheet by using the link in our channel profile detail, and we will get back to you with more information within next week. In the meantime, don't forget to stay home and stay safe. Have a wonderful day, and we wish to see you soon.